This project is the culmination of a new direction in federal science, and we're extremely proud to have been a part of that. Together with our Labs Canada partners, as well as the research departments that will occupy the building, we've been a part of something brand new. The Labs Canada Mississauga project is essentially a vertical addition to the existing Canadian Centre for Advanced Material Manufacturing. And the project involved literally adding a third floor onto the existing building.
This project was a vertical expansion, quite complex for multiple aspects. So the first challenge was, of course, how can we take those pieces of equipment and move them on the imaginary or not construct third floor roof, and in the same time to create less interruptions to the operations that were happening on the fully occupied first floor. So we all know in the laboratories there are experiments that you cannot simply stop. So some of the experiments may are running for months, some for years. We needed absolute tremendous collaboration from the user's perspective, from public works perspective, from the project management perspective. All together, we were only able to finish this project successfully.
Design in this project was not only about designing the building, it was about creating an environment where science can thrive. The idea behind creating spaces for scientific activities is to inspire science, facilitating collaboration, and empower scientists.
The laboratory areas were configured in a modular fashion so that labs could be expanded horizontally within the space. There are actually demountable walls and overhead service carriers so that the lab casework within the laboratories can actually be reconfigured at will in a plug-and-play typology.
The labs are fantastic. If you look at the way they've been designed, the modular format, it just means that you can reconfigure them to adapt it to the type of research you need to do. So rather than being stuck in a certain model, we're able to plan for the future research that we don't know we'll be doing yet. The facility itself speaks to collaboration, speaks to being able to adapt. It really shows how the facility is going to be able to innovate. It's innovative in itself.
This program will place Canada at the forefront of breakthrough discovery and cutting-edge research that will support many industrial sectors such as clean energy and transportation. It's a moment of pride to see this building being occupied and ready for its path towards breakthrough discoveries.